In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to create your own Facebook fan page, and it's really simple. And let's just get started. All right, on the left side under create, you're going to see pages. Just click on that and you'll see 6 options. Just create brand or product, and then choose, you can choose whatever you want actually, but for this method, I highly recommend choosing website, and then the product or brand name, which we chose as Tyrant Products, and then click on get started. And the first thing it's gonna say is to put an about your page, and just type in we sell all sorts of collectibles, and then a page address is gonna be Tyrant Products. Sorry, my bad. Alright, Tyrant Products, and yeah, that's about it. Then click on Save Info. And then it's gonna say to upload an image. So remember, I told you to get a logo. This is where you're gonna upload it. So make sure you upload a logo. For this, we're just gonna put this, but I highly recommend you use your logo over here, your store logo, because branding is really important, like I said. And just give it a second to upload. The thing to remember is that using your logo here is really important, and to make the page look as professional as you can, this is something which is really necessary. And yeah, that's about it. So just click on next and add to favorites. Next I'm gonna say preferred audience, so you can choose what type of audience you're gonna have. Just say everyone on, just save, just click on save. Don't have to specify what audience you're gonna have, because we're gonna add different types of products, so we're gonna have a lot of different products and different audiences. So yeah, there you go, your page is done. And I'll highly recommend adding a cover photo, which you can add of your logo, just with some nice images in the back, and you're good. So once your page is up, then you can put whatever post you want, and you can just create an ad from right over here. And that's as simple as that. You already have your fan page, and in the next video I'm gonna walk you through on creating your ads.